What's up, YouTube?
Hello, everybody.
So today we got homemade, of course, this is home. We have homemade pretzel.
It's all vegan.
Yeah, you're gonna love this. This is an easy recipe. I don't see nothing that could prevent anybody from doing this at home themselves, but you guys are gonna love this one.
Alright, you want to put your cup in warm water, 110 degrees. You have your sugar and your salt. You just want to make sure that's mixing together. And you want to make sure it's warm so that the yeast actually set in. So it's all dissolved. Once that is dissolved, you want to use your yeast and sprinkle it on the top. So what's going to happen is you're going to let this sit for 5 minutes until it's foamed at the top. Alright, as you can see, the foam on the top from the yeast. You want to add your butter. Just almost okay. A little butter. And then you want to add your flour. Now I don't have a dough mixer with a dough hook, so I'm going to mix it with my hands because I don't have a dough mixer to mix it with. So I'm going to start with this spatula, and then once it starts to get a little tough to mix, I'm going to use my hands. And I did wash my hands, by the way. So you want to mix it until it forms a ball. This is where I might have to start using my hands because it's starting to get a little tough. You just want to knead it until it's all incorporated. You can smell that yeast in there. Smelling doughy. Alright, this is what it looks like once it's formed into a ball. So you want to either clean that bowl out or use a well-greased, clean bowl. It has to be dry and well-greased so that the dough doesn't stick to it. And we're going to take this out of this bowl. Sit it right in the middle. And then you're going to cover it with a clean dish towel or plastic wrap for about an hour. We have our dish towel here. Alright, and set your timer.
Okay, so we got 10 cups of water. You bring it to a boil and then you add your baking soda. And stir.
Alright, so now that each piece is rolled, you put it in the boiling hot water with the baking soda for 30 seconds and place on your baking sheet. And then you just simply dredge them with a little bit of our cornstarch and water mixture and a little bit of salt.
Alright, so they came out of the oven. And we did a little extra to them. We added, some butter to the top. And this is what they look like. We have 2 different dipping sauce. What's the first dipping sauce?
Dijon mustard and agave dipping sauce.
And the other dipping sauce we have is a maple butter.
So we hope you enjoyed the video. Questions, comments in the description box or
inbox, welcome.
Down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat.